Alright, greetings everybody. Back again with another video showing you a little bit about Ubuntu Linux. Um, I have helped literally like hundreds of people migrate over to Linux, Ubuntu, mostly from Windows operating system. And I realized that most of the people who are Windows users are very uh, basic users. It's like Windows was forced on them, and so they just use it because it was forced on them. So when I asked them, okay, what do you need to do with what do you do with your Windows system that you made it do with your Linux system? And I kind of found out that most people, this all the thing they use their computer for really this is basic users. It's surf the internet, check email, probably watch YouTube, get on Facebook, and that's probably it. And probably burn some CDs or something. So I want to show you a program right here that comes with Linux. It's called Thunderbird, and it's just an email. It's like an email program that you can use to pull all your mail. Here's mine right here. Like you can use this just to like pull all your mail into one place, so you don't have to keep going out and checking your mail from your Hotmail or Yahoo. You can tie your Yahoo or Hotmail account to it, and then it'll just, you can retrieve your mail, send an email, whatever. But it's called Thunderbird, and it's free. It's made by Mozilla, and you can download it from Linux, and you can set it up and run right there. Another thing that people want to know how to do is burn CDs. So there's something in here called Genome Baker that you can use to burn CDs with, CDs and DVDs. And it's so simple, man. It's like Linux is plug and play. What I mean by that is you can plug in any hardware to this computer and it automatically detect it. Like it'll automatically detect it and install software for it. And then sometimes you need it'll have, some companies are catering to Ubuntu, and it's creating drivers specifically for Ubuntu. But you know, if you want to burn an audio CD, you find the audio files, and you drop them in here and you burn your CD. It's just simple. It's so simple. You know, so this is called Genome Baker. It's free. It's kind of like Roxy or Nero Burn. You don't have all the other stuff, and you don't have to pay for it. But you don't have all that stuff that unnecessary stuff that you probably don't need. But you know, it comes free with Linux. One more thing that most people always ask this question about, and they does Linux support Office, Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word. And Microsoft Word is another real good product that Microsoft puts out. But let's look at one thing, the cost. Let me see how much is it. Because Microsoft Office, let me see how much it costs. Off the top, you're gonna spend like Office 2010. Like it's $119 for Office, for Office 2000 Student. Office Business $199. Office Professional 2010 is $349. You know, I don't know if you need all this. Like I worked in corporate America before and worked with Microsoft Office, and there are some advanced features that you may need, like Excel, that comes with it. Um, that comes with it also, but it's always an equivalent for Linux. And I just don't see, like, if you just want to type a letter, let me show you Open Office. Well, you can, this is it right here. It's called, this program I want to show you about, it's called Open Office. And it's now, I think it was ran by Oracle or somebody. I think Apache just got hold to it. But it's the same thing as like Microsoft Word. You know, you can type documents and type letters in this the same way. all the advanced features that are inside of Word, I never used them. Like I know that you can use Word for advanced stuff, but I never really had. I never really used them. And let me show you. Let me show you Office. I got Office 3003.2. And let me remind you that the newer versions of Linux, Ubuntu, comes with something called LibreOffice. I'm not too keen on that. It's just like this, but I kind of like OpenOffice a little better. But this is basically it right here. It's like it's just a word processor. The type of letter, you can do almost the same things you can do with Word. You can do with this. Now, there may be some advanced features that may need to you may need to use for Word, but I personally have never used those. Let me see. Spreadsheet. If you have spreadsheets, this is just like Excel. This is just like Excel. Open Office has the same functionalities as Excel, and like I said, it might be some advanced stuff in Excel that you may need to use. But the thing about this is, you just gotta learn it on your own. It's like nobody gonna write a. It's information out here for you to learn on your own, but it all depends on what you want to do with it. So if you want to download Office right now, it's like I can get it like right now, and just install it. It's free. It's free. It's free. So I use it. If I want to type a letter or something, I just use this. But most people think they gotta have Word. Like it does save. It does save your documents. Let me go back inside of here. It will save it inside as a doc, so that if I do type a letter inside of this and I want to save it, I'll go save as. Well, I can export it as a PDF, or I can save it as a .doc. So, most people that, like I said, like most people who I know who are just basic computer users, all they want to do is check their email, get on the internet, probably go to YouTube, do some Google searching, or burn a CD. That's pretty much it, for the basics computer setup. So you can do all that stuff with Linux for free. Like you don't have to pay for all that stuff to get to the internet. And it's a lot more that you can do once you learn this stuff. It's a lot more that you can do, but like to start getting and playing with it, you don't have to pay like this type of money right here. You don't have to pay for none of this stuff. So yeah, I thought I'll show you these other applications. I'll probably make some more videos just going over some of the free stuff that Linux offers and some of the other features that Ubuntu has. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time.